Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 5 Mark IV, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you want to open up your settings. From here, navigate to storage, and then I'm going to tap on the drop down right over here where it says this device. Select your SD card, choose Files, tap on the three dots, and in here gonna navigate to Stored Settings, which will present us with the Format option. So simply press on Format, brings up a message letting you know that formatting removes all content on the SD card, so if you have anything on it that you would like to keep, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already done so, or you just simply don't want to, you can proceed by selecting Format SD card. So begin formatting it, and this process only takes a couple seconds and should be right about done. About now, there we go. So click on done and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.